Chinese automakers want you to believe they've solved cheap car ownership. They haven't. American manufacturers figured this out years ago, building sedans so mechanically simple and so widely supported that owning one feels almost free. These 5 cars will run for hundreds of thousands of miles without draining your bank account on repairs. Number 1 is going to completely change how you shop for a used car. Let's get into it. Number 5, 2012 Ford Focus. Let's start this list with a car that surprises a lot of people, the 2012 Ford Focus. This was the first year of a completely redesigned platform, and Ford used that opportunity to build one of the most refined, dependable compact sedans of the entire decade. The standard engine here is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated and mechanically straightforward. There's no turbocharger to worry about, no complicated forced induction cooling system, and none of the carbon buildup headaches that plague many of today's small-displacement turbo engines, including several budget Chinese compacts currently flooding entry-level markets. Owners of the 2012 Focus consistently report crossing 150,000 miles using nothing more than routine oil changes, air filters, and basic wear items. Spark plugs in this engine are known to last well beyond 100,000 miles, which dramatically reduces long-term ownership costs compared to vehicles requiring more frequent servicing. Where this car really shines is parts availability. Ford sold the Focus in massive numbers across the country, meaning every auto parts store stocks components for it without hesitation. A replacement alternator, starter, or set of motor mounts costs a fraction of what you'd pay sourcing parts for a newer import brand still building out its supply chain in North America. Brake components are equally affordable. Rotors and pads for the Focus are widely available from multiple manufacturers, keeping prices competitive and ensuring you're never stuck waiting weeks for a special order. The suspension setup, while sporty, uses simple, well-understood components that are inexpensive to replace. Struts, control arms, and bushings are stocked everywhere, which is something newer Chinese sedan brands genuinely struggle to match given their limited distribution networks in Western markets. Electrically, the 2012 Focus avoided overly ambitious touchscreen systems and base trims, sticking with proven, simple controls that rarely fail. When something does need attention, repairs stay inexpensive because there's no proprietary software lock or dealership-only diagnostic requirement. This generation Focus earned a loyal following among mechanics who recognized just how forgiving it was to own long-term. It's proof that compact doesn't mean fragile. If you find a well-maintained 2012 Focus, don't dismiss it as just a small car. And the next sedan on this list takes reliability to an entirely different level. Number 4, 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. Number 4 brings us to the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze, a car that completely repositioned GM in the compact sedan segment. This was the model year right before Chevrolet refined the lineup further, meaning it represents a fully matured version of the platform with most early production kinks already resolved. The most common engine option is the 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, though many owners specifically sought out the 1.8-liter naturally aspirated version for its mechanical simplicity. That naturally aspirated engine, in particular, avoids turbocharger-related wear and the expensive cooling system demands that plague forced induction engines, including many small turbo motors found in budget Chinese sedans. Owners of the 2013 Cruze frequently report crossing 150,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. Oil changes are inexpensive, and the 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine has built a reputation for smooth, dependable operation over hundreds of thousands of miles. Parts costs for the Cruze are remarkably low. Because GM produced this car in enormous volumes, replacement components like alternators, water pumps, and sensors are stocked at virtually every auto parts retailer nationwide. Compare that to sourcing a specific part for a newer import sedan, where limited distribution can mean weeks of waiting and inflated pricing. Brake jobs are similarly affordable. Rotors and pads for the Cruze are widely available from multiple aftermarket manufacturers, which keeps competition high and prices low for owners performing routine maintenance themselves or through independent shops. The suspension system, while comfortable, relies on simple, well-documented components that are inexpensive to replace. Struts and bushings on this car are known to last significantly longer than many newer competitors, especially smaller Chinese sedans built with cost-cutting suspension geometry designed to hit aggressive price targets rather than long-term durability. Electrically, the 2013 Cruze offered modern conveniences without overcomplicating the system with constant software updates or proprietary touchscreen modules prone to expensive failures. This generation Cruze proved that GM could build a genuinely competitive compact sedan without sacrificing the long-term affordability American buyers expect. Mechanics across the country still recommend this exact model year to budget-conscious drivers. But the next car on this list might be the most surprising entry yet. You need to stick around for this one. Number 3. 2014 Buick Verano. At number 3, we have a sedan that quietly built one of the most loyal owner bases of its era, the 2014 Buick Verano. Compact on the outside, but engineered with the same attention to detail Buick puts into its larger sedans, this car proved that small doesn't mean cheaply made. The standard engine is a 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder, the same trusted motor GM used across several vehicles during this period. It's naturally aspirated, mechanically simple, and free from the turbocharger complexity that creates expensive failure points in many small displacement engines, including several Chinese compact sedans currently entering the market with similarly sized turbo units under far more strain. Owners of the 2014 Verano consistently report crossing 150,000 miles using nothing more than routine oil changes and basic wear items. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine has earned a strong reputation for smooth, dependable shifting over hundreds of thousands of miles, with very few reports of premature failure. Parts availability is another major advantage. Because the Verano shares its platform and countless components with the Chevrolet Cruze, replacement parts like alternators, sensors, and water pumps are widely stocked and competitively priced. This kind of cross-platform parts sharing is something newer Chinese sedan brands simply haven't established yet in Western markets, often leaving owners waiting weeks for a single overseas-sourced component. Brake components for the Verano are equally affordable, with rotors and pads available from multiple manufacturers at nearly every auto parts store nationwide. No special order, no inflated pricing, no guesswork. The Verano's interior, despite its near-luxury positioning, avoided overly complicated touchscreen systems that create costly failure points down the road. Buttons and knobs remain simple and inexpensive to repair, a stark contrast to vehicles where a single infotainment glitch can mean replacing an entire module. Suspension components are similarly straightforward, using well-documented struts and bushings that last impressively long and remain cheap to source compared to specialty import parts. This generation Verano earned a reputation among owners as a set-it-and-forget-it car, something you simply drive for years without worrying about the next repair bill. It's one of the most underrated bargains of the early 2010s. And the next car on this list is about to take long-term reliability to a level you won't believe. Number 2. 2011 Lincoln MKZ. At number 2, we have a car that surprises even seasoned mechanics, the 2011 Lincoln MKZ. Built on Ford's proven Fusion platform, but dressed up with Lincoln's near-luxury refinement. This sedan delivers comfort and style without the maintenance nightmares typically associated with luxury badges. The standard engine is a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, a well-proven motor shared across multiple Ford and Lincoln products during this era. This engine avoids turbocharger stress entirely, along with the complicated cooling demands and carbon buildup issues found in many smaller turbocharged engines, including those used in several budget-focused Chinese luxury-positioned sedans. Owners of the 2011 MKZ frequently report crossing 180,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. The six-speed automatic transmission has built a strong reputation for smooth, dependable performance, rarely requiring anything beyond routine fluid services. Here's what makes this car a genuine maintenance bargain. Because it shares its platform with the Ford Fusion, parts availability is excellent despite the Lincoln badge. Alternators, water pumps, and suspension components cost significantly less than you'd expect from a luxury-branded vehicle, and they're stocked at regular auto parts stores rather than requiring dealership-exclusive sourcing. Brake jobs on the MKZ are similarly affordable, with rotors and pads widely available from multiple manufacturers, keeping costs reasonable for a car that still feels genuinely upscale inside and out. The electrical system, while more feature-rich than a standard Fusion, was built using proven Ford technology rather than experimental new systems, meaning fewer software glitches and lower repair costs when something eventually does need attention. Suspension components are well documented and widely sourced, allowing struts and bushings to be replaced affordably compared to many import luxury sedans, where even basic suspension work can run into thousands of dollars. This generation MKZ proved that you could own a near-luxury sedan without the near-luxury maintenance bills. It's one of the best-kept secrets in the used car market, especially for buyers wanting comfort without financial anxiety. If you thought this list was impressive so far, our number one pick is about to completely redefine what low maintenance actually means. Number 1. 2012 Dodge Charger. And here it is, the car that earns the top spot as the most maintenance-friendly American sedan of this entire era, the 2012 Dodge Charger. Bold, powerful, and surprisingly affordable to keep running. This full-size sedan proves that American muscle and long-term reliability aren't mutually exclusive. The standard engine in the 2012 Charger is the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, an engine that quickly earned a legendary reputation among mechanics for its rock-solid dependability. This naturally aspirated motor avoids turbocharger-related wear entirely, sidestepping the complicated cooling and carbon buildup issues found in many small turbocharged engines, including those used in several budget Chinese sedans competing in this size class. Owners of this generation Charger routinely report crossing 200,000 miles with minimal intervention beyond standard oil changes and basic wear items. The Pentastar V6 in particular has become known for running for hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine care, a track record many newer engines simply haven't had time to establish. Parts availability for the Charger is excellent, since it shares its platform and countless components with the Chrysler 300. This means suspension parts, brake components, and electrical sensors remain widely available and affordably priced for years to come. Unlike many import sedans where sourcing a single sensor can mean weeks of waiting for overseas shipment. The Charger's rear-wheel drive platform distributes wear evenly across suspension components, meaning struts and bushings tend to outlast the segment average, saving owners real money over a typical ownership period. Brake jobs are equally affordable, with rotors and pads stocked at nearly every major auto parts retailer, ensuring you're never paying inflated prices for specialty components just to keep the car running safely. Reliability data from this era consistently highlighted the Pentastar engine as one of the most dependable Chrysler ever produced, and that confidence translates directly into a car that doesn't nickel-and-dime owners with constant repair bills. This is a sedan built for drivers who want presence, power, and genuine long-term affordability all in one package. More than a decade later, it still delivers exactly that. If you own one of these 5 sedans, you already know the secret. And if you don't yet, now you know precisely where to look. That's 5 American sedans engineered to outlast everything thrown at them. Next time someone claims cheap Chinese cars can't be beaten, send them this video. Subscribe for more car comparisons, and drop a comment telling me which one you drive every day.